Hi, Ed Akehurst here. In this video we're going to show how to add Genius posts to your browser. I'm on the page here and you should have been given a link when you purchased it. If you can't find the link, you can just let us know and we'll send it to you again, or you can go to the Chrome Web Store, go under the Social and Communication and search for Genius Posts. You may have to scroll down through a page or two because it's brand new and it's probably not yet ranked. Once you're here, it'll ask you to add to whatever browser you're in. As long as it's a browser that the extension runs on, it'll say add to, and in this case it's Chrome because that's the browser I'm using. It would say add to Brave if I was using Brave, or add to Microsoft Edge if I was in Edge, or add to Opera, etc. I'm in Chrome, so all you need to do is click the button and then verify here. It'll tell you a little bit and just say add extension, and it will take just a moment to log in. And there you go, you'll get a window here and you'll see the icon. Now sometimes if you have enough icons up here, it'll go away after you click that. If you want it to always show up in the bar, just click that extension icon, find Genius Posts, and where this pin is, just click it so that it's highlighted. And then you'll see it right up there. And you'll be able to click this icon and use it. I'll show how to log in and do other things in the extension on another video. If you have any issues, or if you have any questions, or you need help with anything, please reach out to us. We are definitely here to help you.